Namaste students, I am JVS Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayati Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss loss of biodiversity, and it is related with the subject ecology and evolution. So in the previous lecture we have discussed that what is the biodiversity and what is uh, the effects if biodiversity is lost. Okay, so in general, loss of biodiversity is a reason and may lead to the decline in plant production and lowered resistance to environmental perturbations such as the drought and increased variability in certain ecosystem processes such as the plant productivity, water use, and pest and disease cycles. So overall, the loss of biodiversity affects uh, through many terms. So causes of biodiversity. So the accelerated rates of the species extinction that the world is facing now are largely due to human activities. So there are four major causes uh, which causes the loss of biodiversity. So first one, which is also important one, is the habitat loss and fragmentation. So this is the most important cause driving animals and plants to extinct. So the most dramatic example of habitat loss come from the tropical rainforest. Once covering a more than 14% of the Earth's land surface. These rainforests now cover no more than 6%. So they are being destroyed fast. By the time you finish regarding this chapter, 1,000 more hectares of rainforest would have been lost. So when their habitat is lost, the diversity which lives at them, they are extinct. They will be extinct because they are habituated to live there. The second important factor is the over exploitation. So humans have always depended on nature for food and shelter. Okay, so but when need turns to greed, it leads to overexploitation of natural resources. So many species extinctions in the last 500 years were due to overexploitation by humans. Presently, many marine fish populations around the world are over-harvested, endangering the continued existence of some commercially important species. Third factor of the cause of the loss of biodiversity is the alien species invasion. So when alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately for whatever purpose, some of them turn invasive and cause decline or extinction of indigenous species. The Nile perch introduced into Lake Victoria in East Africa led eventually to extinction of an ecological unique assemblage of more than 200 species of cichlid fish in the lake. You must be familiar with the environmental damage caused and posed to our native species by invasive weed species like carrot grass, okay, lantana and water hacking. The recent illegal introduction of African catfish, Clarice gariepinus, for aquaculture purpose is posing a threat to the indigenous catfishes in our rivers. Fourth factor is the co-extinction. So when a species become extinct, the plant and animal species associated with it in an obligatory way also become extinct. So when a host fish species become extinct, its unique assemblage of parasites also meets the same fate. So another example is the case of a co-evolved plant pollinator mutualism, where extinction of one invariable leads to the extinction of the other. So definitely if one thing is dependent on the other, one parasite is lives in a specific host. If host will extinct, obviously the parasite will extinct because it is dependent on that. So these were the factors which causes the loss of biodiversity. So hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this station is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.